All right, everybody. Sorry it's been so long. I just wanted to post a quick update here because I haven't been able to post anything for so long. I've just been chasing work and dealing with my shop flooding and a few other things, and it's just been a pretty hectic winter season. But I've got a ton of backlogged footage. I've got several episodes on the way. I just wanted to give you guys a little tease. So essentially, this is the LJ20 transmission, and we rebuilt that in a previous episode. This is the ZXI 900 Kawasaki jet ski engine. And the Suzuki itself, it's on ice over here. It's chilling. Still got the dirt bike engine in it, and it's ready to drive, but it's just kind of on ice, and I'm trying to get this thing done. We machined this piece that connects the two together, and so right now I'm working on the bell housing, and we got a little V-belt pulley here to run an alternator so I can get more power out of it. We machined this piece is actually the crank from the bad engine. It was a bad crank, so we cut it, and we machined this piece a tiny bit, just basically pulled the bearings off and smoothed it out. And then on this side, we machined this face and connected this coupler that I got online for this engine. And basically, we're going to try to make this work with this coupler. We have no idea if this is going to work. It's full-on science experiment, but it might work, so we're just going to try it. If it doesn't work, then we just machine all this stuff down and bolt it together. So it's really not that big of a thing. Anyways, yeah, I put the V-groove pulley on here just so I can run an alternator and get extra power because I have a lot of accessories and I want to get more. The clutch assembly's in. We're trying to get this all level and all aligned perfectly. And then we're going to do a test run. And then we're trying to figure out cooling on this, which is going to be the big problem because these things run on cold water, fresh cold water, open loop system. So I have to convert to a closed loop system that's going to work and keep it cool enough. So that's really the challenge. Will this hold up? Will this thing stay cool enough to run without exploding? We will see. Stay tuned.